Today, we're heading to one of the most spectacular spots in the Caribbean, Punta Sur on Isla Mujeres. This is the easternmost point in all of Mexico. Perched high above the turquoise waters of the Caribbean, Punta Sur is known for its dramatic cliffs, ocean views, sculptures, and walking paths that wind along the edge of the island. In this video, we're doing a full walking tour of Punta Sur. I'll show you why this is considered one of the most beautiful spots on Isla Mujeres. Let's go! Alright, we made it to Punta Sur, which is on the end of the island. We are currently here right around 9:45 in the morning and we're enjoying the nice weather. It's a little chilly though. It's about 70 degrees, actually no, 65. And right now we're heading out to the end. Gonna go explore. Some nice statues. It was $12 for 2 people to get in, which is not a bad price for the views. Waves are incredible. These cliffs are no joke. Just straight down. Very beautiful. I think this goes up and around. It's mighty windy over here, but I want to see. Oh, it's nice over here. Wow. Yes. What is it? Easternmost. So neat how the water has eroded, wind and salt. As we kept exploring, we really found ourselves drawn to the western side of Punta Sur. That side of the park is much more sheltered from the wind, which made the walk feel calm and relaxed compared to the exposed cliffs on the eastern edge. The walking paths begin to wind gently down toward the water, and as we followed them along the coastline, we eventually started spotting a few small caves tucked inside the rocky shoreline. It was a really cool detail that might have been missed if you didn't take the time to look around. What we really appreciated most is that the walk here is very casual. The paths are well defined, the elevation changes are gradual, and it never felt particularly strenuous. Just an easy, scenic stroll with incredible views along the way. This is a really cool walking experience. There's a lot of elevation changes. You just gotta be careful where you walk because there are cliffs like this. Oopsie. Absolutely no ledge or railing. Just fine. But if you're bringing small kids, I'd make sure you have them on a close tether.
Oh my god, all the erosion. It's so calm over here with the wind. I was hoping to see an iguana, but haven't had much luck.
We really enjoyed our trip to Punta Sur. Visiting early in the morning made for a peaceful experience, and it allowed us to take in scenery before the crowds arrived. As the day goes on, we could definitely see how this area could get more busy. There are a few amenities here, including paid restrooms, a small gift shop, and a snack area, and also a limited food and beverage stand. Most visitors reach Punta Sur by renting a golf cart and driving around the island, which is one of the most popular ways to explore Isla Mujeres. The experience itself is a self-guided walking tour, allowing you to explore the paths and viewpoints at your own pace. It also is worth noticing that much of the area is not ADA accessible except for the top part. In many spots, there are no railings along the cliff edges, and if you're uneasy with heights or have balance concerns, this may not be the best fit or experience for you. The terrain can be uneven and the rocks below are very sharp and jagged. That said, the views here are absolutely amazing, and overall, it was a beautiful and memorable experience. We hope that this walking guide helped you give a good look at what it's like to visit Punta Sur, and if it's something you'd like to do when you're visiting Isla Mujeres. Thank you so much for watching.